When we're doing our monthly inspections of our oils and fluids, we should also check our brake fluid level. This does not mean we need to remove the cap or anything. Just a glance over it to see if the brake fluid is still above the minimum mark, closer to the maximum mark, is all we need to do. If you can't quite see it, we do the wiggle test. We just give them a little bit of a wiggle, shake the car, and you could be able to see the fluid level there. If we notice there's any change in the fluid level, we need to get this off to the mechanic urgently. If there is a major loss of fluid, we recommend not to drive the vehicle, possibly have it towed to a repairer, as brakes are a safety item and we should not be complacent.
It's not just a matter of filling it up when it gets very low. They actually have to bleed the air out of it. That's not something I would recommend we do. That is for the workshop.
Brake fluid loves to take on water, and it's the worst thing for our brake fluid because it can cause our brake fluid to boil under heavy braking conditions and can cause our brakes to fail. So we always want to make sure there's a cap on our brake fluid because we don't want that brake fluid absorbing water. Brake fluid is also extremely corrosive. So if you get it on your hands, do not be touching your beautiful paint because it will take your paint off.
RAC, for the better.